Welcome to a bowl of happiness. Today we are making 焼き鳥丼。今日は柚子胡椒香る焼き鳥丼をご紹介します。Yakitori can be literally translated to grilled chicken from the Japanese words yaki, grill, and tori, chicken. Yakitori consists of bite-sized pieces of meat, usually chicken, served on a bamboo skewer. Today it's the lazy version. We grill the chicken glazed with yakitori-style sauce and place it on top of the steamed rice. It'll be ready in 10 minutes.First, we'll make the tare, the teriyaki sauce. The ingredients are quite simple. You just combine mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Just set it aside. 居酒屋に行くとビールとともに絶対に注文する焼き鳥ですが、今回はフライパンでちゃちゃっと作ります。簡単なのに大満足なこの丼は材料も至ってシンプルです。鶏もも肉と白ネギはマストですが、あとはお家にある調味料で出来上がります。In Japan, yakitori can be a street food dish or a casual meal served in a parlor, frequently paired with Japanese beer or sake. Many yakitori shops specialize in this tasty snack.While most izakaya, or Japanese-style pubs, also list yakitori on their menu. At the yakitori specialty restaurants, customers can enjoy food while watching the chicken being grilled over charcoal in front of them. Types of yakitori restaurants vary from high-end to casual ones. Yakitori shops are also a popular destination for Japanese businessmen to go for after-work drinks.Now, let's put the chicken and the onion in the pan before turning on the heat. Make sure you have the skin side down. Turn the heat medium-high all through the end. 火をつける前に鶏肉を皮目を下にして入れます。ネギも入れたら火をつけて強めの中火で仕上げていきます。Don't touch the meat until the bottom is brown and crispy. Just turn around the green onion from time to time. 鶏肉の皮目がカリッとしていい色になるまではあまり触らず、ネギは焦げないようにコロコロと転がしましょう。There are so many kinds of yakitori, and whenever I have guests over from abroad, I like to take them to yakitori parlors. I guess the most common kind of yakitori that's beloved by virtually everyone would be momo, or the chicken thigh. That's the part of the chicken we are using for this bowl today.焼き鳥はいろいろな種類がありますが、皆さんは何がお好きですか？カリッカリの鶏皮も美味しいし、豚バラや軟骨、つくねも美味しいですよね。私はレバー以外なら何でもござれです。外国人の方にも焼き鳥は喜ばれますね。でも、いろいろな部位をどう英語で説明するかが難しかったりしますよね。例えば、鶏皮はチキンスキン、手羽先はチキンウィングス、軟骨はチキンカートレッジ、ぼんじりはチキンテール、つくねはチキンミートボール made with small pieces of chicken cartilage、豚バラは pork belly といった感じでしょうか。When the chicken is cooked, pour the tare, the sauce, from the edge of the pan. Sauce over and combine.In a minute or so, the sauce will start to caramelize, and that's when it's done. 火が通ったら鍋肌からタレを回しかけ、少しとろみがついたら出来上がりです。 Now, how fill a bowl with cooked rice, drizzle with a bit of sauce, add the shredded dried seaweed if you have some, and cover it with chicken and the green onion. Doesn't this look appetizing? Top it with some sesame seeds. Add a bit of yuzu胡椒, yuzu citrus, salt and chili made into paste on the edge of the bowl. Some other condiments can be used, such as 七味唐辛子, a mix of 7 Japanese spices, and sansho pepper, a spicy powder made from sansho peppercorns, or wasabi. It's totally up to you. This dish is super easy and quick, and believe me, it's really tasty. The green onion gets nice and tender, and the rice coated with the teriyaki sauce is just out of this world. 早くて簡単で美味しい焼き鳥丼、食べ応えのある鶏もも肉、とろっとろの長ネギ、タレを吸ったご飯がたまりません。I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. We introduced delicious Japanese homemade dishes that are easy to make. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. 簡単で美味しい料理をご紹介しています。お気に召しましたら高評価ボタン、チャンネル登録をぜひお願いします。